rehearse this. They're gonna dance whilst I'm singing. So this could go really, really wrong. Yeah, is that okay? Hi, you alright? I think I need a cap. I feel a little bit left out. What's your mum called?
Catherine.
Catherine? Does she look now?
She's like,
Hi, Catherine! So, let's do this. I don't even know what dance are you going to do? You're just going to improv? Do a bit of break dancing? Shoot, shoot. Just give me a kick if I get out of time, alright? Yeah, you're allowed to kick me, it's fine. Right, we're going to do Katy Perry fireworks. And how are we going to start? Do you ever feel so like a house of cards for personality? Do you ever feel all very, very deep? 6 feet on the screens and no one seems to hear a thing. Do you know that there's still this fun? I can't do that and sing at the same time, ready? Cause you just gotta ignite and let it shine. Just all the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burn. Make 'em go ah, ah, ah. You gotta leave them going ah, ah. Baby, you're a firework. Come and show me why. If you only knew what the future holds after the because baby, your reason why all the doors are closed. So why can you only bring me there? I mean, she's a ringleader, isn't she? I'm gonna have to join in now. Let me come in the line. What are we doing? Just got it. I think I'm too old for this. You shine just